Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hi, Mark. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks. I've been working on my English speaking skills lately.
That's fantastic to hear, Sarah. Speaking practice is key to improving fluency. What aspect would you like to focus on today?
I'd like to work on expressing my opinions and engaging in discussions.
Excellent choice. Let's start with a simple topic. What is your opinion on the importance of physical exercise?
I believe physical exercise is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It helps strengthen the body, improves mental well-being, and prevents various health issues.
I completely agree. Regular exercise not only keeps us physically fit but also boosts our energy levels and reduces stress.
Absolutely. It's important to find activities we enjoy to make exercise a part of our daily routine.
Well said, Sarah. Now, let's discuss another topic. What is your view on the impact of technology on society?
I think technology has revolutionized the way we live and communicate. It has brought convenience and efficiency to many aspects of our lives. However, we need to be mindful of its potential negative effects, such as increased screen time and decreased face-to-face interactions.
I share a similar perspective. Technology has indeed connected the world, but we should strive for a balance and use it responsibly.
Definitely, Mark. Finding a balance is key to maximizing the benefits of technology while minimizing its drawbacks.
Great insight, Sarah. It's evident that you've been working hard on your English speaking skills.
Thank you, Mark. Your guidance and encouragement have been invaluable in my language journey.
You're welcome, Sarah. It's been a pleasure helping you improve. Keep up the good work.
I will, Mark. I look forward to our next speaking practice session. Part 2.
Before we wrap up, Sarah, I have a suggestion for further improving your speaking skills. Have you considered joining a public speaking club or participating in speech contests?
That's an interesting idea, Mark. Public speaking has always been a challenge for me, but I'm willing to step out of my comfort zone. It would be a great opportunity to enhance my confidence and speaking abilities.
I'm glad you're open to the idea, Sarah. Public speaking clubs provide a supportive environment where you can practice delivering speeches, receive feedback, and develop effective communication skills. It can be a game changer for your speaking confidence.
I appreciate your suggestion, Mark. I'll definitely explore local public speaking clubs and see how I can get involved.
That's the spirit, Sarah. Remember, the key to improvement is taking consistent action and pushing yourself beyond your limits. I have no doubt you'll excel in your speaking endeavors.
Thank you for your unwavering support, Mark. Your guidance has been instrumental in my progress.
It's been a pleasure assisting you, Sarah. I'm confident that with your dedication and determination, you'll achieve great success in your English speaking skills.
I'll do my best, Mark. I'm excited to continue on this language journey and see how far I can go.
Before we wrap up, Sarah, I have one more suggestion to enhance your speaking skills. Have you considered practicing with tongue twisters?
That's an interesting idea, Mark. Tongue twisters can be challenging but fun. They could help improve my pronunciation and fluency. Do you have any recommendations?
Absolutely. Here's one to get started. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Try saying it several times quickly and see how well you can pronounce each word.
That's a tricky one. Let me give it a go. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Wow, that's harder than I thought.
Great attempt, Sarah. Tongue twisters are meant to be challenging. But with practice, you'll see improvements in your diction and clarity. Keep practicing and try different tongue twisters to make it more enjoyable.
Thank you, Mark. I'll incorporate tongue twisters into my practice routine. It adds an element of playfulness to my language learning journey.
That's the spirit, Sarah. Remember, learning a language should be fun and engaging. Embrace the challenges and have fun while improving your speaking skills.
I will, Mark. Thank you for your guidance and support throughout this practice session. I feel more motivated and confident now.
You're welcome, Sarah. I'm here to help you on your language journey. Keep up the excellent work, and I look forward to our next conversation.